Introducing Trimax LocTEK for vastly increased roller retention, bearing life and replacement ease. A patented design unique to Trimax mowing systems. Trimax customers can now say goodbye to high maintenance and costly stubborn roller retention systems. Trimax LocTEK is guaranteed to reduce bearing replacement time. Traditional roller stub systems often need to be remachined or replaced to correct retention and alignment. Removing Loctited bearings from a seized stub can be time-consuming. With no adhesive fixed stub to remove, LocTEK takes as little as 15 minutes per bearing to replace. Comprised of heavy-duty roller bearings, a strong tri-bolt housing, a protective sleeve, and a high-tensile bolt, LocTEK provides increased retention and guarantees accurate roller alignment on all axes. Subject to years of extensive field, strength and vibration testing, LocTEK provides proven agility and strength season after season. Trimax LocTEK pulls the roller and side channels together over multiple contact areas, providing strength and protection against horizontal loading. As a result, bearings last significantly longer. The roller axis remains parallel and overall deck strength is improved. Through our innovative welding technology, we've softened the roller dome profile to be gentler on your turf, helping to increase yield on new or delicate turf areas. LocTEK also provides added protection against water damage through a clever convex ridge on the rollers, which prohibits water running vertically down a roller in transport mode and pooling around the bearing. Comprised of independent parts which can be purchased separately, LocTEK provides users with a more cost-effective spare parts experience. Now produced on Trimax mowers at time of assembly, retrofit kits are available on selected older models. Eliminate high-maintenance stub and roller retention issues with Trimax LocTEK. To learn more or for more information on any other Trimax mowing innovations, visit our website or contact us for a free demo. Beat bearing maintenance with Trimax LocTEK.